Hello, everyone. My name is Linda Gunnar. I am the CEO and founder of Linda's Perfection Creations. Linda's Perfection Creations is an event planning and wedding decor company. We cater to small and large events in and around the Philadelphia area. We do full service, partial, morning of coordinations. We do custom events. We also do home staging. So if you're selling your home or you just need a space for us to decor, we do that as well. We do planning aspect. We do the decoration aspect. I am a certified wedding planner and a certified florist. I have over 10 plus years in the wedding industry. We service our business services locations and destination weddings. We do events in and around Philadelphia, so New Jersey, Delaware, in Connecticut, New York, and so on and so forth. We also travel outside the state, but it has to be a budget minimum for us to travel outside of our surrounding areas. Today, I'm just going to continue on what I've. So, if you're just joining me, for the past couple of days, we've been talking about the ultimate wedding planning checklist. All the things that you need to do when you plan your wedding within a year. I understand sometimes people wait longer. Some people also do wedding, at a shorter time. But this is no matter what time you are planning your wedding or whatever stage you are in the wedding. These are all the things that you need to accomplish, and you need to accomplish them in a good time frame. So you're not that stressed. You are not panicking, and you can get everything done. So you can have a really great wedding. So today is the day we talk about, we talk about the month before, what are the things that you need to do, from finding your venues, hiring your professional, when to buy your dress, when to order your invitation. But for today, we're going to talk about the night before. And it's very important. Those are things that you have to do. A lot of people, for any event that you're doing that's major, you want to make sure that the night before the event, you get enough rest. Especially when you have a long day ahead or you want to go make sure you go to bed early. I understand sometimes people do bachelorette parties, people do, bachelor party. But as a planner for me, myself, after 11 o'clock, 10 or 11 o'clock, if my clients are drinking, I cut off alcohol. Reason being is that you don't want to be out. And it's a recommendation. You don't have to listen, but as a professional, that's my professional opinion. After 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning, night, you should not be drinking anything. People's like, oh my God, you have all night the next night to drink. Matter you if you don't drink it all the next day, it's fine. I understand you still have to drink, but you gotta understand when you drink, you get hangover, you get tired, you get groggy. It's a lot that goes into your body. The night before, you want to be refreshed the next morning when you wake up, and so you want to get enough sleep. Go to bed in an early time frame. Do not stay up past 12. If you can go to bed sooner, then that's okay. But I understand people want to celebrate and do something. Get enough rest. Because you got to think about it. Most brides, especially for brides, you are waking up as early as 7 o'clock in the morning or 8 o'clock because you got to take a bath, you got to get yourself ready before all the glitz and glam start to come, before the photographer, your hairstylist, your makeup artist. And you got to think of, you are not the only person you're doing. You want to make sure you eat, you want to make sure you relax and have a little bit of time to yourself. So if you go to bed late and in the morning you are so tired, you already started the day in your eyes, you got the airbags under your eyes, you saggy, your face just a little drain out. You want to be refreshed. You want to relax and look good. So I always recommend, the night before the wedding, get enough rest. And then another thing, you want to drink a lot of water. Water will nourish you. You'll be hydrated. You don't want to be. I seen bride passed out during the wedding because they're not hydrated, because your nerves and a lot of things going on. Drinking water, it clear your system, and it give your body the nourishment that you need. So drink, and even during the course of the year, you want to make sure you add water into your diet. Drink plenty of water. And the one thing is that you want to eat healthy. I understand a lot of people eat a lot of stuff. Yes, you should have already been on some kind of diet. Um, Not so much a diet, but eating healthy throughout the course. But the night before, you want to make sure you eat food that's healthy. You don't want to eat food that will make you gassy. You don't want to make food that will drain you down. It will just be heavy. You want to eat something heavier and a lighter. Apologize. That you know will make you just your body. Our body is your temple. And I hate to say it like that, but the things you put in there, it transforms on the outside. Now, I'm far from the healthier person, so please, I'm not saying like, oh, you should go on this great healthy diet. No, everybody eats his own. I love food. I'm a food person. I cannot go on my chicken, my meat, and everything. So I love to eat. I love my sweets, my carbs. You just name it. But for setting time for something important, you got to think about it this way. You spend so much money on a lot of things. The last thing you want to do, that's something I'm going to transfer into your pictures, because the camera's going to be on you. Everything is facing you. You don't want to look out of place, or you don't want you to feel some kind of way, and get your picture and be like, oh my God, why did I do what I do? So you don't want regrets. So make sure you eat good, make sure you drink good. And then another thing is that you want to make sure you have a little bag, whatever, clutch, maybe a smaller bag for personal things, just in case you put it in it. Like you say, okay, you can put your phone in there. Nowadays, they are making wedding dresses with pockets. They're making dresses with pockets so you can put in there, but you still want to have your clutch to have little things in it that you're gonna need. Whether is your slides, a slipper, something to change on. They got some bridal shoes where you can remove the heels and it turns into a slide. So they got really new, cute bridal shoes. You can put a painkillers like Tylenol or something just in case you got a headache. Now, most wedding planner, professional wedding planners, should have a first aid kit where have all this information in there. But if you are planning a wedding yourself, you need to have things in there, little things that you're gonna need. Have your personal, care for women, your personal pads and things just in case something happen. We never know what's gonna happen. So any little knick-knack, maybe a touch of lip gloss, little personal things that you might need throughout the day. You know what it is that you cannot live without and things that you need just in case. If you have to put a card or something, you want to have something handy just in case you need it. So pack it the night before, because then that way in the morning you don't have to be running around looking, oh, do I have this? Do I have this? So all the things that you know that you need during the course of the day or that you will need, put it in there. You want to make sure you have your note. Your vow should be in there. Your personal note should be in there. You want to put that in there so you already have all of that handy. And also make sure you have every single thing. Before you leave your house to go to the hotel, double check, triple check. If you have to do it multiple times, make sure you have everything. So you don't want to have to go back the night before. And then, like I said, that's another thing. If you have a planner, that's something they will double check to make sure you have. If you don't have it, you have somebody that you dedicated to plan your event. Make sure you have it. So all the list, what I recommend, everything that you're going to be at the venue that you are bringing. Most of the time, the caterer or the planner, we usually take that 2 weeks before. But if not, they check on the box, do like a plastic bin, write a little note, like a checklist on there. List everything word by word. You can put it on your template in your Google Slides or Google Doc or Microsoft Word or whatever. Write it down. So as you're packing, you check, okay, this I have this off, and check it off, check it off, check it off. Put it in that tub, give it to whoever you're going to give it to. So from your welcome sign, everything you need to have to make sure that you don't want a day of the wedding and you do not have that. All those things should have already been packed and pulled aside, but you just triple checking to make sure you have everything. You want to make sure your suitcase is packed. All the things, your underwear. Trust me, people forget underwear. Toothpaste, toothbrush, your comb, your cologne, your deodorant, like all your personal things, your survival kit, thing that you cannot leave, or things for the reception. You want to pack everything and put it in your car. Don't wait the morning. Say, oh, am I going to do it in the morning? No. The night before your wedding, before you get to check into your hotel. Some people might check into the hotel a couple of days before, or maybe the night of. Whatever day you're doing, keep those things in your car. Pack, or whoever is driving you, or whoever you're going to dedicate that to, make sure you have everything, because the luggage is, you need your overnight bed. Everything you're going to have, from the owner shirt, you change your clothes, your robe, things for the bridal party, things for the groom party. Everything you're going to need for the ceremony, make sure you triple check it. From your welcome sign, things for the reception, the favors, the decor, every single thing. If you're already having handed over to the rightful person, hand that over. So when that person comes in the morning to your hotel, you can easily just give them all those information and say, there we go, and you can pack it over. Most of the time, the planner or whoever is not going to the rehearsal dinner, they will already have that. You can take it from them at the rehearsal dinner or in the morning. So you want to make sure everything that you need. So triple, double, triple check. And I've been saying that over and over because the reason is that you don't want to forget something that crucial. If you forget something like your cake stand, a favor, your escort cards, and your menu cards, things that can mess up your whole wedding. So what if your wedding is like an hour away from your home? And who's gonna go back? That's not enough time. On the wedding days, there are a lot of things that move so fast. It's fast paced before you know it's over. So make sure you have everything. But that is all for today, please. Tomorrow, we're going to talk about the morning of the wedding, all the things that you need to do before the wedding. I took a little longer time too because the last 2 days I really want to break down to show you guys detail. So because these are the little things that people forget. So thanks for watching. Tomorrow, as I said, we're going to talk about the month of the wedding, the day of the wedding, I'm sorry, the morning of, and see what all the things that you need to do before you go ahead and get married. Well, thanks for watching. My name is Linda Gunn. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For more information, you can go to my website at www.lyndaperfect.creationsevents.com to learn more about my service. Thank you and have an amazing day.